Good morning. My name is Juan David Ferri Ramirez. My activity is presentation Cartagena de Indias. Let's start. Where is located? Cartagena de Indias is the Caribe region of Colombia in the department of Bolivar on the shores of the Caribbean Sea. It is one of the country's main historical and tourist destinations. What is it like? Cartagena de Indias is a historic city on Colombia Caribe coast, remembered for its colonial architecture, its fortified walls, and its beautiful beaches. It combines culture, history, and leisure, making it one of the country's most attractive destination. What elements are there? In Cartagena de Indias, you will find colonial architecture and cobblestone street, history walls and fortress, lively square and local culture, beaches on the Caribbean Sea. The magic of Cartagena, Cartagena de Indias is Jewel of Colombia Caribbean coast, is walled city, colonial street, and beautiful beaches offer unique combination of history, culture, and relaxation, making it an unforgettable tourist destination. What sensation does this place transmit? Joy and vitality is quite full of music, color, and people, combined energy and liveliness, relaxation, and peace. The beaches and nearby island invite visitors to rest and enjoy the Caribbean Sea. Owen and admiration, the city walls, fortress, and history architecture inspired admiration for their beauty and everything. Personal opinions. Why did you choose this place? He chose Cartagena de India because it combines history, culture, and leisures. Its colonial streets, color house, and living square make in it a unique and memorable destination.